this past year. And we just want to welcome y'all to Teenage Emotions. They both have lots to say. I think this time.
I did a lot this year. Made a lot of friends, some came, some go. And I still never took a sip of beer. Still fuck hoes by the beer. Let's go. Still ride around without the roof. Still ride around with case of prison and goop. And my managers know lots of goals. So let me know if there's pressure in the room. Let's go. I'd rather do than say hands up. And I done did it all before. I done had sex with 6 different whores at the same time on their grandmother's back porch. Yeah, pussy nigga, I thought you. Yeah, pussy nigga, I thought you. Hey, and you ain't know too. Hey, real runner, baby. 10 chains, real gold like a 40, baby. Ain't no nigga tell me shit, cause I've been on it lately. Ain't no nigga tell me shit, cause bitch, I'm poppin'. Saint Laurent, Jeezys, ain't no robbing. Who these fuck niggas think they? Who these fuck niggas think they robbing? Not me, no, not me. I style my wrist just for a hobby. All these niggas hoes, get them from beside me. Bitch, I am a pro, all I did is try me. Oh, oh. All of them niggas ain't no rights. Bitch, you know it's Lil Bone. Bitches look like no Perry. I keep them hoes like a fairy. My head be real like a cherry. All of them niggas they know. All of them niggas they know me. All of them niggas they know us. Them niggas they wanna be us. Shout out to my nigga Kobe. Throw the fight out like a trophy. I'ma blow it up like a Mophie. Look what that nigga say low key. My little eye, but currently I can get cause she don't look to me. A curly and a cutie, I can turn into my woo.